Hello everyone, welcome to Balaji tutorial. Topic for the day is globe, latitude and longitude. Second chapter of class 6 NCERT. So let's start. Second chapter of geography is globe, latitude and longitude. Today we are going to discuss in detail about globe and latitude. Longitude we will discuss in my next video. So first we should know what is globe. Globe is a replica of the earth. It is miniature form of the earth. Now I am going to show you a picture of globe. With the help of this you can better understand about the globe. This is the picture of a globe through which you can see globe is a graphical representation of the earth on which oceans, continents and countries are shown in its real shape. With the help you can see earth is not complete circle. It is bulge at the center and flattened at the top and bottom. This shape of the earth is known as spheroid or geoid. So meaning of spheroid, which is bulge at the center and little bit flattened at the top and bottom. You will notice that the needle is fixed through the globe in a tilted manner. It is known as axis. Axis is not straight. It is tilted by 23.5 degrees. 2 points on the globe through which the needle passes are 2 poles. This one and this one. The poles which indicates north direction or north star known as north pole and opposite of the north is considered as south pole. The globe can be moved around this needle from west to east direction. East, west, and it moves from west to east direction. But remember that there is a major difference between real earth and globe. The real earth has no such needle. It moves around its axis, which is an imaginary line. Another imaginary line running on the globe divides it into 2 equal parts. This line is known as equator. This is considered as a 0 degree latitude. Equator, with the help of equator, earth is divided into 2 equal halves. The portion which lies north pole and equator is considered as a northern hemisphere, and the portion which lies between equator and south pole is considered as a southern hemisphere. Next topic is latitude and longitude. There is a question, why are we studying about latitude and longitude? What are the uses of this? Latitude and longitudes are used to locate any place on the earth's surface. As all of you know, earth is spherical in shape. Because of this spherical shape, it is very difficult to locate any place on the earth's surface. So with the help of this latitude and longitude, we can locate any place in an easy and simple way. For example, latitudinal and longitudinal extent of Delhi is 28 degree 37 minute north. This is the latitudinal extent of Delhi, and 77 degree 10 minute east is the longitudinal extent of Delhi. So it means this is the address of Delhi on the earth's surface. So you can say that latitude and longitude together give the unique identification to any place on the earth's surface, to locate any place on the earth's surface. Now there is a question, what is latitude? How will we define latitude? As the name suggests, latitude means leti hui line, horizontal line. This type of line drawn on the earth's surface is known as latitude. Or other word we can say latitude is the horizontal line which is drawn parallel to equator either side in both the hemisphere, known as latitude. Latitudes are measured in degree. Degree is divided into minute, minute is divided into second. Here the minute, second and degree, these are not for the measurement of the time. These are for the measurement of the distance on the earth's surface. How latitude and longitudes are measured? First we will talk about latitude. See, suppose this is earth's surface and I told you earlier this is north pole, this is south pole. These are the 2 poles on the earth's surface. Okay, these are the reference point, 2 important reference point. Then comes equator, 0 degree latitude. So with the help of this, we can find out Earth is divided into two equal halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. How latitudes are measured? See, from equator towards the pole, the distance between these two places, it is the 1/4 of the total circle of the Earth. It means 360 degree. So 1/4 of this 360 divided by 4, then you will get 90. So 90 latitudes are there in northern hemisphere. The same with the southern hemisphere. 90 latitudes in the southern hemisphere. 0 degree, and after 0 degree come 1 degree latitude. And if latitude you will get in northern hemisphere, then you will write 1 degree north latitude. And if this latitude will be in the southern hemisphere, then you will write 1 degree south latitude. So latitude 90 latitudes are found in the northern hemisphere and 90 in the southern hemisphere. The latitude which found in northern hemisphere, always we used to write north, like 1 degree north, 2 degree north, 3 degree north, and so on. And if it is found in southern hemisphere, then 1 degree south, 2 degree south, 3 degree south, and so on. As we will move from equator towards the pole, the size of the latitude decreases. Okay, so largest latitude is 0 degree. Then comes 1 degree latitude. 1 degree latitude is smaller than 0 degree but bigger than 2 degree latitude. Then comes 3 degree. 3 degree is smaller than 2 degree and 1 degree but bigger than 4 degree, and so on. So when you will start from equator towards the pole, chota hote hote it become a point on pole, that is 90 degree north. So North Pole is a latitude. It is also known as parallels of latitude. Why? Because these are drawn parallel to equator. This is the reason why these latitudes are known as parallels of latitude. So 90 latitudes, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, and so on. When we will reach on poles, it will be 90 degree north latitude, and same will happen in southern hemisphere, 90 degree south latitude. This is the 90 degree south latitude. So in this way we have got 180 latitude, 90 in north and 90 in south, plus 1 equator. So total number of the latitude is 181. Distance between two latitudes never change. Distance between 0 degree to 1 degree latitude in northern hemisphere will be 111 kilometer. Distance between 1 degree north to 2 degree north is 111 kilometer, and so on. And distance between 89 degree and 90 degree is 111 kilometer. Distance between two latitude never change all over the earth. In this way, and distance is 111 kilometer between two latitudes, so you can find out the distance between equator towards pole. Okay, now this 1 degree and 2 degree is divided into minute. This is the symbol of the minute. You can see degree we used to write like this, small circle, this one very small circle. Then minute we used to write like this, and second we used to write like this. So degree is divided into 60 equal minutes. It means from 0 degree to 1 degree, 60 minutes are there. You have to keep in mind, here we are not talking about the time. Here we are talking about the distance on the earth's surface. So here minute is used for the distance on the earth's surface. So 1 degree divided into 60 equal parts, that is known as minute. And again minute is also divided into 60 equal parts, that is known as second. So here from 1 degree to 0 degree to 1 degree, 60 minutes. And again suppose 60 minutes are there, and 60 minute, 1 minute to 2 minute is divided into 60 equal parts, that is considered as a 60 second. So for locating any place on the earth's surface, we should know the accurate latitude of that area. For example, if any place located here, so we can say it is located on 1 degree north latitude. But alone latitude cannot locate any place. We need some other sets of imaginary line. Like latitude are the horizontal line. It is drawn parallel to equator. This is the reason why it is known as parallels of latitude. but we need some more sets of imaginary line, vertical line. So these lines are known as longitude. We will discuss about longitude in my next video. Here are the characteristics of the latitude. First is length keeps on decreasing. Length of the latitudes never remains same all over the earth. From equator towards the pole, the length of the latitude decreases, and on the pole it become a point. Largest latitude 0 degree. This is the largest circle of the earth, and smallest latitude is 90 degrees, smallest point of the earth. Second, distance remains same all over the earth. Distance between two latitude, as I told you earlier, never change. The distance between two latitude remains same, 111 km all over the earth. Next, total number of latitudes are 181. 90 in the northern hemisphere, 90 in the southern hemisphere, plus 1 equator. Use capital N or capital S to show the latitude. These are the if latitude found in northern hemisphere, then use 1 degree north. Capital N is used to show for the latitude which are found in northern hemisphere. If the latitude is found in the southern hemisphere, we used to write capital S. But for equator, 0 degree, we never use north or south. Every latitude is complete circle, whether it is in northern hemisphere or in southern hemisphere. Each and every latitude is in complete circle. Now, I am going to give you some important question for your UPSC, ICSC and other competitive exam. 10 important questions from globe and latitude. You can pause and note down the question. थैंक यू वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. इफ आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. फॉर एनी क्वेरी, एनी प्रॉब्लम, एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू ज्योग्राफी, यू कैन आस्क मी थ्रू कमेंट सेक्शन. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग बालाजी ट्यूटोरियल.